Welcome to Jay Has Heart.
I help you understand the value in dreaming. There is power in each and every one of you that you don't know is there. You're growing up, and when I was your age, I didn't know about that power. I didn't know about a God-given talent that I do have. I came from a place where I was on computers. I was like, hello, my name is, and I had my own pocket square, and like I'm still a little bit of that, but I was somebody who didn't speak a lot. And now I speak around the world. Because I recognize the power God has given. Good, is that your best? I asked this question about best. See, a lot of times when I ask that question, people cannot answer it. What does your best look like? Okay, yeah, myself, ooh, ow, okay. But even in that, you still doubt yourself. You still look in the mirror and doubt yourself. When you say best, it don't matter what I got on, I'm my best. Your best is you envisioning yourself and saying, I'm at my best. I'm working towards my best. I ain't worried about the girl next to me, behind me, in front of me, around me. I ain't worried about y'all. I'm here to dominate. I'm here to win. When you wake up in the morning, what are you gonna say?
I'm gonna win today.
That's what your best can look like. Good decisions.
Good decisions, good future. Better decisions, better future. Your best.
Come on, talk that talk.
Equal your best.
Right. See, faith got me to do this.
Welcome to Jay Has Heart.
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 Welcome to Jay Has Heart.